the cutting edge of aviation technology, now at risk of ending up on the scrap heap. For 30 years, this old airliner, filmed by campaigners earlier this year, has been grounded, making way for shiny, modern replacements.
I actually flew that particular airplane.
Retired pilot Clive Grieveson wants to save it. The years he spent in its cockpit were some of the happiest of his career. We're talking about what looks like a pretty ordinary old commercial plane. Why should she be saved?
Good question. Why should they save steam engines? Why should they get... It's part of our heritage. Once it's gone, it's gone.
In all, 57 Heralds were built, but they proved to be an expensive mistake. 57 just isn't enough to be profitable in aircraft production.
Of the 4 Handley Page Dart Heralds left today, only the one at Gatwick hasn't been restored. Its last flight ended here in 1994 when the engines overheated. Later, the plane was put on display at the South Terminal until 2003. And now, with talk of the airport expanding, it's in the way and must be moved.
If we don't raise the money, then there is a risk that she will end up being scrapped and recycled, which would be a tragic shame. So many people around Gatwick and also flying in and out of Gatwick for years will have seen her and know about her.
The fact that you've actually been on that flight deck, you've handled those controls, you've steered that aircraft through the air from takeoff to landing, it becomes part of you.
So far, campaigners have raised half of the £60,000 they say they need to dismantle the plane and move it to Sellinge near Ashford to restore it and save a slice of aviation history.
If we lose it, we've lost it forever. Yes, there are 3 others, but as I say, they're just static examples at the moment, and we were hoping to get this one running. It's just another nail in the coffin of aviation heritage, really.